seized the power of the presidency informally in ways that we didn't necessarily think was going to be possible previously. Even a short period of democratic backsliding tends to leave authoritarian holdovers, where we've talked about. In the US case, that means loyalists in courts and bureaucracies and private structures who can continue to block accountability, who can continue to normalize rule bending. And that creates a misleading sense of bounce back, where it might look like you've got a new democratic system and remove Trump, but in reality, key challenges within the system of vulnerabilities remain in place. So to me, the real question is not, can US democracy survive Trump, but whether it will take the tough step of dismantling those legacies and reforming the institutions before the next authoritarian challenge emerges.
So you said that restoring a democracy once it's lost, at least for any length of time, is really, really difficult. But you're also talking about sort of trying to slow or stop the erosion of democracy.
This is a deer. They haven't seen them all day. And I made my son go out there. It's after 5. They're out there. The birds went through 3 bird feeders full today. A lot of black oil sunflowers. We have, as of when my son was out there, 4.2 inches, but I can see where in some places in the yard is 5. Ooh, here comes another customer. See, there's 4, and there's one of the does does not like other does or deer. She's especially unkind to the younger deer. There's a bit of a younger one. Always one with their head up looking. No water, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, did you see that? She stomped right on his poor little neck. When the bully goes away, the other ones can get something to eat. Anyway, I really ought to let this go. The baby obviously belongs to the other one over there, and they're taking off. Anyway, it's snowing, like not as hard as it was, but it's still coming down out of the sky, blowing, colder than a politician's heart. I hope wherever you are, you're doing well. Take care.